Hello, my dear Reynas family. Hope everyone is good. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the juiciest grilled chicken. My dear friends, make sure to make this recipe for your loved ones for Christmas or whenever you have like any party or get together because this recipe is so simple, it's so delicious, it's so tasty, and it's mouth-watering. So let me show you what I'll be using for this recipe. Here I have my chicken thigh. Actually, for this recipe, I used the hard chicken. So you just have to give some incisions on your chicken. You could give some cuts so that every seasoning will get into the chicken. Here are my other ingredients. I have my mayo. I have smoked paprika, other seasonings. You could season or marinate your chicken with whatever spices is comfortable for you, okay? So right now, let's marinate our chicken. So just add in all your seasonings and make sure you use your hands in marinating, okay? Because we want everything to get into the chicken and into all the cuts that we put on the chicken. So after adding in everything, you have to really mix and massage the chicken thighs very well, because remember this is hard chicken, not soft chicken, so you really have to take your time to marinate. So after that, you add in your mayo. This is actually my secret ingredient. This mayo will actually make this chicken so juicy, so moist by the time it's ready, okay? So make sure to always try this, adding a bit of mayo to your marinated chicken. After marinating your chicken, you just have to use a clinch wrap, wrap it very well, and then I'll have to place into my fridge. Put it in the fridge like for an hour or an hour and a half, depending on when you want to use it. So at this point, I'll just have to place my chicken into my baking tray, arrange them very nicely. After placing them, then you just have to take into the oven. Remember to always preheat your oven before you put your chicken into the oven, okay? So right now, let's take our chicken into the oven. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Look at our chicken. It's looking so nice already when it's not yet done. I just feel like eating it like this. The aroma, the taste, smells so good. So you can go ahead to use whatever seasoning is comfortable for you, okay? So here is our chicken in the oven. We just have to let it sit there and grill on one side. So you have to check from time to time. When one side is perfectly grilled, make sure to flip to the opposite side. At this point, I just flipped my chicken to the opposite side. So I'll let this side grill for like 45 minutes and I'll keep on flipping from side to side until everything is perfectly cooked. Remember, this is hard chicken and it needs more time for it to get ready, Okay, so you don't have to rush. Take your time and make sure the oven should be at low. As you can see, our chicken is almost ready. So I'll have to flip again to the other side and then back to this side. And after that, our chicken will be ready. Okay. My dear friends, this chicken tastes so good. And I had it with some jollof rice. If you watched my previous videos, you will see how I made my patty jollof rice. So make sure to always complement this chicken and the rice together so that you really enjoy the meal. And with this chicken, I also made like extra pepper sauce on the side. For those who want like extra heat, you would always need extra pepper sauce. Make sure to always try my recipes, share to your loved ones, to friends, to your groups, and keep supporting your girl. Okay? Thank you all for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And thank you for all my returning subscribers. I love you all so much. God bless you. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.